Hello there, this is my unboxing video for my new Sony headphones. They are the WH-1000 MX3, that could be slightly the wrong way around. Anyway, they're the new Sony headphones. Why don't manufacturers just say it's the Sony model number so-and-so rather than sticking all the 1000? I don't know, it just makes it complicated, doesn't it? These are my new Sony headphones. I've had the earlier version of Sony headphones before, the noise cancelling ones. Let me get them for you. These ones, which have been on a lot of journeys with me, and they've always worked really, really well. But I gotta be honest with you, the noise cancelling on them wasn't that brilliant. I'm trying to find the model number for you because, so these are the MDR ZX770BN. That makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Yes, it really does, all those numbers. I think they're about £100 retail, and they've been really, really comfortable, and they've been really, really useful. And like I say, they've done a lot of flying with me. But I wanted a little bit more noise cancelling and a bit better sound quality, so I've gone for these. Put those over there. So I ordered them off Amazon. I paid £329 for them, and I thought I'd just unbox them and make a little video out of it. So I'm going to unbox. I'm going to go just ever so gently, just to cut the tape on the top. There we go. And then I'm going to open the box. There we are. Right, bit of packaging, and then, pick it up in a minute. Right, so there we go. Now I got these after I went into a department store called John Lewis's, and I went in there and they had all of them on display to try, like the Bose ones. There were other brands as well, which I can't remember what they were, but I went round and I tried them all. And I've got to be honest with you, I watch the adverts all the time, and the Bose ones, they tell you that they're the best and the best sound quality and everything like that. Yep, that may well be. But when I put the Bose ones on, it sort of made me want to pop my ears. Does that kind of make any sense? If you remember years ago when you used to fly and go on holidays, you get on the plane and just before you took off, the stewardess would come around and she'd give you a boiled sweet, because they want you to suck the boiled sweet because it's going to help you make your ears pop, because your ears go funny when you climb. You don't get that on modern jets now. But anyway, that's how it made me feel when I put the Bose ones on. And I put these on and they seem to have a better noise cancelling, and they didn't give me that effect. So basically I went for these. That was the level of my testing. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, try and give you some tech specs as I go. The Sony system is supposed to have, these new ones are supposed to have what's called a QN1 processor in it, and that processor apparently is supposed to make the sound better. 40 kilohertz frequency, something like that. I don't know, but it's supposed to be better. It's also supposed to have a better Bluetooth system, DAC, something like that, I don't know, which is supposed to transmit more data, but that's what they're supposed to be. I want to know, does the battery last a long time? Does it sound good? Does it comfortable? And does it make me want to go with my ears? And I don't think it does. So there we go. Box, instructions, put that over there. Look at that, it's a nice little coloured, it's a nice little case that is, actually. That'd be useful for travelling. And there we go, pretty well packaged. Bits of card, 3.5mm jack, because you can use these with a 3.5mm jack as well. Now Sony says that with these, from a 10-minute charge you get like 5 hours playback, or total from charge you will get 30 hours playback if you fully charge them. No idea about that. Okay, and there we go. And then I guess they just fold like that, which is really nice. Then what's that in there? There's something in there. What have we got in there? Oh, hello. Ah, look, charging lead. That's a USB-C type. Now, look, look how stupidly short that is. Look, look, look. What are you supposed to do with that, eh? Now, if you're in a hotel room or you're travelling or something like that, it just does nothing. And for the sake of what? I don't know, a few pence, you could make the cable a metre long. Come on, let's have a brain about it, Sony. I mean, that's annoying when you've spent all that money. And there's something else in there which I can't get at. I really can't get at it. Hang on. Right, okay. Now, there's an adapter. Now, that probably is for like aircrafts and stuff like that. You do get, like when you go on some planes, you can plug them in, so you can probably use them on like an aircraft system using that. That's lovely. So, there we go. Don't know which way around they're supposed to go on, but they are nice and comfy. I know that because I tried them on in the store, and that's really quite good. Now, the clever thing is, if you get the correct side, whichever side it is, they have a system so that when you put them on and you're walking along and doing your thing, if someone comes and talks to you, normally you have to go, what? Or you have to take them off or do something. What this does is you touch your hand to the side and it will engage like an inbuilt microphone and deaden the sound or lower the sound in the headset. So you can talk to someone without having to take them off. So you go, hello, hello, yes, I can understand you, blah, 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 blah. But at the moment you do that, it shuts them off again. So it's kind of quite good. I'd say it's quite good. It is quite good. I like the idea. But then again, would you want to stand there going, yeah, I want to buy a ticket. Yeah, no, I'm too lazy to actually take the headphone off and have a polite conversation with you. Yeah, and I'm just going to stand here holding my ear. So I guess kind of it does work. It is a nice thing, but I'm more interested in, making sure that they do really, really work. So I'm going to put some power in them and sync them up, and let's see how they feel. Connected for call and media, look at that, and then we've got volume on there. Right, so straight away we just want to try them. Is that on? Hello? Oh, they're on. I can only just hear myself talking. How weird is that? So let's try some music. Ooh. There you go. So I've got it on the right ear. That's right, but that's really good because it completely cuts the noise out. The music still plays in the back, but now I can hear everything. And if I take my hand off again, it makes the music come back. Now, this is quite tricky because I'm talking to you, but I can't hear myself at all. Nothing. I can't. With the music playing, and it's not deafeningly loud, with the music playing, I can't even hear my own voice. That's weird. But they sound really good. Nice. Okay, and then what you realise is that basically you should read the instructions before, like, you start, because it says that you should open the box and download the app. So let's try and see if we can do that. Okay, so what you can do seemingly is that you can run that optimizer and it will take into account like what's going on around you and then correct the noise cancelling to it. So that'll be interesting because I've got to take a flight tomorrow. So when I put these on, I shall run that and I'll let you know how I get on. But I shall run that and see if that helps out. That's incredible. Again, I'm listening to the music. I can't even hear my own voice. That is bonkers. I can't hear my own voice. Hello? Hello? Anyone? It's weird. Hang on a minute. Now I can hear my own voice. Here we go. So, oh, looks like I'm a DJ. Okay, so you talk to someone rather than take them off, and then it's back on again. That's pretty good. Basically, there's a big instruction manual there, which I guess probably I need to read through to find out what pressing all the buttons means and everything like that. But for me, the question is, I've spent 329 quid. Do they sound good? Are they comfortable? Does it cancel noise out? And do I like the look of them? And do I think that I can travel with them and use them as I go around the world? And to be honest with you, my answer is yes. And it doesn't make me go because I want to pop my ears. Right, let me actually tell you how I'm getting on. So I've been to Las Vegas with these in the last sort of week or so. So I've been on a transatlantic flight. I got to be honest with you, they work really, really well. Incredibly well, actually. If you use the app that you can download and put on your phone, you use like the noise optimizer when you get on the plane, and it tailors the headphones to your ambient surroundings. And you won't even know, well, I didn't, you won't even know that you're actually sitting on a plane when you're wearing these, listening to something. They really are that cool. And I charged them for about 2.5, 3 hours before I went. I've done flights both ways, 3 movies, loads of music, walking around the airport, walking around Vegas, and I've come back and I still haven't charged them, and I'm using them today to make sure that I'm doing everything right for the finalised bit on the video, and I still haven't charged them, so the battery life clearly is incredible. But that optimization app that you need to put on your phone really, really is key, because it just transforms these things, and they are incredible. There is one downfall that I don't like. On the side here, you've got this function where if you slide your finger up and down or left and right or press it in a particular place, it will either change the volume or move a track or anything like that. It's so hit and miss that it's kind of irritating, so just don't use it. Use your phone. You're sort of forever sliding and just trying to get the feel of it. But am I pleased with my purchase? Absolutely. That's £329 well spent, and I really don't see me ever needing to buy another pair of headphones. So that's it. That's my review of my new Sony headphones. If you've liked the video and you've enjoyed it, there's only one video on this channel at the moment. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, because I am going to do some more stuff. Also, in the box below, put some comments, tell me what you'd like to see. I don't want to start doing all the really expensive phones and stuff like that, because there's other people out there doing it. But I'd like to do some of the smaller stuff that people don't really pay much attention to, that we all spend our bits of money on. So there we are. Please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Toodaloo.